Hello, and welcome back to English for Beginners. I'm Mark, and today we will practice introducing yourself in English. This episode is perfect for beginners. Speak slowly and relax. Let's begin. The word of the day. Today's word is work. Work means your job or place where you do your job. For example, I work in a school. Or she works at a bank. Now repeat after me. Work, work. I work in a school. I work in a school. She works at a bank. She works at a bank. Very good. Okay, let's practice. Listen first, then repeat slowly. My name is Ken. I am from Japan. I work in an office. I am a teacher. Nice to meet you. Great job. Now let's try again, a little more naturally. My name is Ken. I am from Japan. I work in an office. I am a teacher. Nice to meet you. Excellent. When you introduce yourself, short sentences are okay. You do not need difficult English. Simple English is good English. For example, my name is Mark. I'm from America. I'm your teacher. That is enough for a good introduction. Repeat after me. I can introduce myself in English. Again, I can introduce myself in English. Yes, yes, you can. Excellent work today. Thank you for listening to English for Beginners. See you next time. Bye.